So in the world of competitive online video gaming, having a stable two-way connection is critical. And I'm talking here in particular about latency, round trip time, jitter, and packet loss. All three of those things are critical in this space. Interestingly, players are very aware of latency, typically called ping in the game, because they understand how that impacts their gameplay. What they're starting to understand as well is that jitter, the fluctuations in ping, and packet loss are also really corrosive to gameplay. And the reason is, these games are all about timing and group coordination. And so even if you have overall average, pretty good ping, jitter, high jitter is really a problem. It's like playing in a band where the drummer keeps changing the tempo unpredictably. When you've got 5 or 7 people on a team who are all connecting to the same game server from different places on the internet, it's really challenging if you've got, for a player who has high jitter, and it can manifest in the game in different ways, but you will see opponents suddenly move to another part of the screen because there was a brief delay caused by jitter. You will see when it comes to packet loss, data streams, game data streams are very thin. There's not a lot of data traveling on that connection because it's mostly telemetry. If you lose just a few packets, that packet could be the critical mouse click. And so jitter and packet loss are critical to providing a smooth and stable experience. And so this is where the edge comes in, because when we started Haste, we were really testing with what we would now call Haste nodes that were in the core. And users would run a piece of Haste software on their gaming device, and that would divert their traffic onto our network. But that first hop was to the core, and that's where a lot of the opportunity is to optimize the connection, is from the user to the first Haste connection. And so moving that Haste server from where we were early on to where we are now, working with Edge Gravity, which is much further out, including right on the service provider network. And at that point, when we're picking up user traffic while they're still on the local service provider network, and then able to route it dynamically from there, that makes the user experience much better. It delivers a really a premium gaming experience to the subscriber. And that's what we're trying to do in partnership with service providers.